Synthetic. Afrique Elephant Character Blanket features a toy with an attached blanket. 13 by 13 inches. Each corner tied with a fabric knot, features embroidered face details. Features ultra-soft gray pattern fabric on top, lined with gray, soft-ribbed fabric. Machine washable in mesh laundry bag on gentle cycle, air dry. Mary Meyer products are all made to strict quality standards to meet or exceed US toy safety requirements. Afrique Elephant Character Blanket features a sweet-faced elephant attached to a 13 by 13 inch square blanket. The neutral colors enhance the uniquely soft fabric and gray ribbed lining. Each corner is tied with a fabric knot, giving little ones something easy to grab and hold onto. Machine washable, gentle cycle and air dry recommended. For almost 80 years Mary Meyer has been making quality stuffed toys with the extra touches that show we care. The heart of our company is a family of people dedicated to producing beautiful, safe, educational toys and collectibles from the best materials and finest designs. At Mary Meyer, we continually strive to design extraordinary products of outstanding quality, all the while keeping an eye on customer service and value. Top reviews from the United States. Cuddly. Bought this for our 1-year-old granddaughter's birthday. Although she received several cute and cuddly animals that day, she held onto this one. Even while eating her cake. Then nappy time. I highly recommend this little guy.